There are no indicators that the renaissance of Android tablets is about to end. Until recently, Samsung dominated this market almost entirely, but today we can pick between respectable slates made by companies like Xiaomi, Oppo, Nokia, and Lenovo. The aptly called OnePlus Pad is the latest product from OnePlus, who recently joined the fray. While hardly inventing the wheel, this $479 tablet offers a respectable experience for the price. But does that imply you ought to purchase one? Yes, in my opinion, but only if you utilize your tablet in a specific way. Despite having the typical combination of glass and aluminum that we've come to expect from contemporary tablets, the OnePlus Pad nevertheless manages to stand out. That's mostly because of the rear's striking halo green finish. Despite not attracting many smudges from dirt or fingerprints, it shimmers nicely in the light. But it's a brave move on the part of OnePlus to not offer an additional color option in a world where so many tablets are black or gray. Although you might not, I find the dark green style to be really appealing. The OnePlus Pad will be used by many people without a case, unlike smartphones. It's not very lightweight for an 11.6-inch tablet of 552 grams. However, I was able to hold it for extended periods of time without any problems, because the aluminum back makes it more sticky than glass may be. A round rear camera module is the other distinguishing feature on the back. Even though there is only one lens present, it is a reference to OnePlus smartphones. It hardly sticks out from the tablet's rear and has no bearing on usability. The pad is nonetheless quite easy to handle. There is no 3.5mm audio jack, but USB-C is used for charging and data transfer. That's not surprising, given that practically all OnePlus phones have done away with the connector, but there is no justification for this given a shortage of available space. OnePlus has disappointingly decided not to add a fingerprint sensor on the pad. Face unlock isn't as secure, but it's quick, dependable, and easy to set up. When utilized in landscape mode, the selfie camera that it relies on is located naturally above the screen. The OnePlus Pad's display is without a doubt its best feature. It has an uncommon 7:5 aspect ratio, thanks to its 11.6-inch, 2800 by 2000 liters CT display. The fact that this feels so natural to hold and use, and that OnePlus claims it was inspired by actual books. It's a terrific option for casual reading because of the excellent detail, but the pad is capable of so much more. Excellent vibrant colors make information come to life, whether it be simple social media photographs or a full-length movie. When it comes to content consumption, the OnePlus Pad is a complete knockout, since everything just looks so amazing. One of the most responsive tablets you can buy, the OnePlus Pad has a touch sampling rate of 144 Hz. The screen is very reflective, thus even at 485 nits of brightness, outside visibility is not comfortable. However, it will be alright if you're driving or taking public transportation. A processor called the Dimensity 9000 powers the OnePlus Pad. Even though the Dimensity 9200 is MediaTek's most recent and strongest processor, the Dimensity 9000 is still one of the most powerful chips found in any device. It's quite impressive to see it on a mid-range tablet, which shows how well the OnePlus Pad performs. I couldn't wish for anything better. Despite the fact that 8 GB of RAM is the sole available choice, the tablet easily manages all of the most typical duties. This involved a lot of web browsing, email, social networking, and video watching, as well as sporadic photography, for me. Impressively, this outstanding performance carries over to gaming, one of the OnePlus Pad's most demanding use cases. Even while only few games can output at the full 144 Hz refresh rate, the experience playing games like Call of Duty and PUBG was comparable to those of the top tablets available. The 9510 mAh battery that OnePlus gave the Pad is equivalent to about 37 watt-hours, if you're more familiar with laptop batteries. This is a respectable amount of storage for a tablet of this size, but the high-definition 144 Hz display obviously strains it. However, you won't frequently need to worry about battery life. The OnePlus Pad can last all day, even with a few hours of power-hungry gaming, and still have battery left over at night. A tablet can last 2 or even 3 days on a single charge if you just use it in the evening. However, depending on where you are based, the pricing situation varies when you eventually run out. Will US buyers receive the 80 watts charger in the package? It costs an additional £39 in the UK, where customers otherwise only receive a USB-C to USB-A cord. If you happen to have a fast charger at home, that's fantastic. But I only had a 33 watts version, and it painfully took a long time to charge the OnePlus Pad. It only managed to reach 18% in 30 minutes, which was really disappointing. Even though OnePlus entered the tablet market late, the wait was worthwhile for its first attempt. With a gorgeous display, first-rate performance, and long-lasting battery, the OnePlus Pad excels at the core components of a great slate. Even better speakers are included, all in a sleek, high-end style. However, if these features are crucial to you and there is only one storage option as well as no cellular or fingerprint support, it may be worth looking into other options. In the end, Android tablet constraints make this a terrific tablet for enjoyment, but not for doing serious work. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day, and luck is definitely on your side.